Good evening. This is my oral presentation, English Level 2. First, talk about introduce myself. Second, talk about my trip experience in Barcelona. After that, talk about the weather in Barcelona. Then, I give you recommendations if you go to Barcelona. Let's start. Okay, it's me, Paula Andrea Henao. I was born in Pereira. I live in Dos Quebradas. I live with my husband, my sons, and I have many pets. For example, I have 3 dogs, 7 birds, 7 fish. Okay, I work at the garden for 14 years. And in my free time, I like to body combat. Okay, let's get started my trip experience in Barcelona. Okay, I give you tips if you go to Barcelona. In my last vacation, I went to Barcelona, Spain. It's a was great experience. I went with my aunts. I visit my mom and my sister because her visit live excuse me because her lives in Barcelona for approximately 20 years. Okay, I stayed in Barcelona for 19 days. I took a city tour and visit different places. For example, the zoo, aquarium, the Camp Nou is the stadium of Barcelona, and the most beautiful place for me is a church, La Sagrada Familia. It's an old building and beautiful. Okay, the weather. The weather in Barcelona is fantastic because he seasons in the moment when I visit the season stay it's was Veroño. It's the end of the summer and the beginning of the autumn. Okay. Uh, what do you recommend to do in your trip? I give you a recommendation if you go to Barcelona. I recommend the people wear umbrella because the weather is changing. It's important the people use always use sun block lotion and the clothes. It's recommended use the clothes cotton. It's more comfortable for you. Okay, other recommendation, it's a good idea that people have a jacket in your bag, and if you decide to a city tour, it's important always buy in advance the tickets. Or if you Search the place do you visit. It's important the advance buy the tickets. Okay, other recommendation is it's good idea the people have a map. Okay, what should I do? Uh, the most beautiful experience I have it's a city tour. If a recommendation I give you, you should take shouldn't drink water in the street. Should only drink water in a bottle because you can get sick. Okay. Uh, thanks for your attention.